Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem.
Okay. Okay. Oh, hi. Fancy seeing you here. Actually, what are you doing here? You know it's my self-care day, right? If you wanted to join, all you had to do is ask. Anyways, what's up, y'all? You're back with me, WhinewithB. And today, I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful mirror that you see here, this vanity mirror. If you want to see the specs, just continue watching. Hey guys, so I wanted to come and review this beautiful mirror that I got off of Amazon. It was pretty affordable. If you want something that's under $200, then I would definitely suggest getting this. When I bought it, I think it was a little under $150, but I'm pretty sure I've recently seen that they put it on sale. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put all the links and stuff in the description box so you guys won't have to question, oh, where can I find it, blah, blah, blah. And then I just wanted to, go over a few specs of the mirror. There's 3 different light modes. There's also a USB outlet, and there's a dimmer on here as well. So that's some really cool features about this mirror. And let me tell you, the one I got it in white because they also have it in silver, but the one I got, girl, she is thick, honey, super thick. I'm gonna go ahead and go over some things on the mirror, and then you guys can, see if you want to purchase this, spend your coins, honey, or not. All right, guys, so this is the mirror as a whole. As you can see right here, it has that USB outlet feature, which is this. So you can actually plug your iPhone or Android cord in there and go ahead and charge your phone. This is actually connected to a power cord that comes with the mirror. So I'll show you where I have mine plugged in right there. And that's basically what illuminates the mirror. So these are the lights, as you see right here. And this is the base. So this part, it comes detachable. You actually have to screw it on. So an additional tool that you need is definitely a screwdriver. So these are the power buttons. I'm going to show you what each one does. So this turns it off, the lights. This turns it on. Okay, and the P is to change. Let's see if I can show you. The P is to power down the light to dim it. So if you just press and hold, you see the lights, they get dim. And then if you press and hold it again, they brighten up. And then the M is for mode. This is the mode as in like what colors you want it. So this one is kind of like a brown color. This one is the color that you see, basically the color of the lights that you see like when you go to a makeup store. And this one is just regular lighting. This is the one that I really like to use. This is my favorite right here. But yeah, they're all pretty good. I'll show you how thick this mirror actually is. It's super heavy, y'all. Do you see this? And I'll show you the back. That's the back. So this is like super sturdy. But yeah, that is the mirror. So if you want to do your own, like, you know, DIY, you can go ahead and purchase that and buy like a tabletop and some drawers and have your own little quick vanity setup. All right, well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning into my self-care time. But next time you need to text me and let me know you're coming over. But if you enjoyed this content, definitely let me know down in the comments. And then don't forget to like and subscribe to your girl.